Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to delete your folder in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, I will show you how to install and download Visual Studio Code by going to your browser and then going to your URL section. You will find here the search button, so search for Visual Studio Code. After that you will find this page which is called visualstudio.com. Click to it and there this is the page or official website of Visual Studio Code. So here guys you can install the software from, and basically to download it for your Windows you can just click here. If you have any other software or systems you can just click on this arrow and here you will find Mac OS, Windows 64, and here Linux x64. So you can install it from here or you can download it on your web from here. Now guys, a side note for you, please make sure to not make any confusion between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is the program that we are using now and it has a blue logo. The other software is a purple logo with other functions and it is completely different software. So now let's say that you have created everything, installed the software. So how you can actually delete your folder in Visual Studio Code? So as you can see, first of all we need to create a folder. So how we can do it? Let's go for example here to the desktop and then click on new folder test, and then all you need to do is go to Visual Studio Code, click on file and then open folder. Here we can grab this, select folder, and here it is. So yes, I trust authors, and here it is the folder that we have. You can add files into it and you can also add folders to this folder, and if you go here into the test you will find this folder has been created and everything is here. Now how we can actually delete the folder, which is pretty simple. You can for example go here, click right and then click on delete, just like so you have deleted it. And for this one you can't really delete it, all you can do is go through here and delete it from here and go like here, empty recycle bin, remove files, and as you can see there is like a mark here. The next time you will be having this, like you will launch Visual Studio Code, you will no longer find it. So yeah guys, that's what it is for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.